Ow, that really hurt. I'm just gonna lay here. Check out my sweet D8.